Move that baby body.
Move that baby body. Wagwan apples, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be telling you how to minimize or get rid of strawberry legs. Okay, so it's not an overnight process, but if you do this within 3 days to a week, you should see full results. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So the term comes from dotted or pitted appearance that resembles the skin and seeds of a strawberry. Strawberry legs are hair follicles or enlarged pores that contain a trapped mixture of oil, bacteria, or dead skin. And this is why it's very important to go in with all these steps. Okay, so the first step that you're going to take is to cleanse the skin. And I'm using the Dove body wash to cleanse my skin. So I'm just going to go in, rub it all over the skin. It is very important to cleanse your skin because you're getting rid of all that dirt, you know, that's built up there, just to have a fresh surface to work with. Wash it off, pat dry, and then move on to the next step. The next step you'll be taking is to exfoliate the skin. This step is very important, and like for a while I kind of break off it, but like when I was shaving my legs, the process, I realized that this is very important to incorporate like every other day into your routine. So when you exfoliate the skin, it gets rid of the dead skin cells, and it just makes your skin look brighter, you know, your skin look more even, the tone look more even, and you'll see in this video.
It's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do.
The next step is rubbing on some shaving cream, but right here I'm using this Nair hair remover. You can use hair remover, like this is how I prefer to do it, because like it just helped me to get a more seamless finish, and I like that.
I already done it, and I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, you know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go.
What you want to do when you're shaving your legs, I shave my leg coming upward. Like I realized that shaving it any other way makes or always give me strawberry legs. So that's a way how you can prevent strawberry legs, to shave it upwards. That's what worked for me. It might not work for you, but try it, boo boo, and see how well it works for you.
Look, I told Shorty drop it for a real one. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women, if I want them then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women, I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better, you only get jealous. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. You know, I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. MD JPB. You already know, baby. Yeah, I said I already done it. Everything.
Move that baby body.
exfoliate again. So after washing off the shaving cream and everything, I go back in and I exfoliate, pat dry, and this is where the most exciting part comes in. Okay, so it all comes down to the most exciting part of this video, which I love to do and I think most ladies love to do, is moisturizing the skin. So I first go in with a combination of Eucerin. I'll leave it on the screen right here. I don't know if I'm chopping it up. And then I use my oil from a black owned business, Simply Nash Boutique, and I just pour a little in my hand, mix it together, rub it on my skin.
You wanna do, I already, you know that you know that yeah. I said, you know that yeah. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. It's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. I tell shorty drop it for a real one. Yeah. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel.
And then I also go in with a tad bit amount of my own body butter and finish it off.
Feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women. I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better. You only get jealous. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
And those are just the simple steps I take to complete this process.
You know, I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. MD. Yes. JPB. You already know, baby. Yeah. I said I already done it.
I hope you guys incorporate these steps when shaving your legs, and best of luck until my next video, guys. One love.
Everything you wanna do, I